The crossbow, a weapon that has been used throughout history, is a fascinating blend of simple mechanics and lethal efficiency. In its most basic form, it consists of a bow-like assembly mounted horizontally on a stock. When the string is drawn back and locked in place, an arrow or bolt can be placed on the groove in the stock. When released, this projectile flies towards its target with great speed and accuracy. The use of crossbows dates back to ancient times. The first known military application of this weapon was by the Chinese during the Warring States period around 4th century BC. Its popularity spread across Asia and Europe due to its ease of use and deadly effectiveness. Unlike traditional bows, which required considerable strength and skill to use effectively, crossbows could be used by relatively untrained soldiers with devastating results. This made them an attractive choice for armies across different eras. Despite their advantages in warfare, crossbows were not without controversy. During medieval times in Europe, they were considered so deadly that their use was banned by Pope Innocent II during the Second Lateran Council in 1139 AD against Christians. In modern times, though, crossbows have found new roles outside warfare. They are popular for recreational activities like hunting and target shooting because they offer unique challenges compared to firearms or conventional bows. Crossbows are also featured prominently in popular culture such as films and video games, where they often symbolize stealthy characters due to their quiet operation compared to firearms. In conclusion, while it may seem like an antiquated weapon today compared to modern firearms or even traditional bows for archery enthusiasts, one cannot deny that throughout history, from ancient battlefields through medieval conflicts up until today's hunting grounds, the humble yet powerful crossbow has left an indelible mark.